I'm editing right now, and this just needs like a professional chaos warning. So also, huge shout out to BetterHelp for sponsoring and approving this video, because you will see why it's so fitting. Like, we need help that is better than what we're currently receiving.
Sup, it's Sydney.
Sup, it's Ram.
Sup, it's Matthew. We are all currently going through our own mental crises. And so, we thought it would be fun if we stayed up until 2 a.m. and ignored all of our issues.
Firstly, we should probably explain our issues. Sam.
Tomorrow's the last day of school.
And?
I hate my math teacher.
And what'd you get on your last math test?
We don't talk about it. Okay, I tried my best.
I have work tomorrow, and that's the same as every other frickin' day. But the thing is, there's only like 2.5 weeks of work left, and the tea is, I was supposed to have this long-term project thing done, and like long-term, and it's just not done.
This is me, reporting live with only 1.5 weeks of work left, and I still don't know if I have a long-term project because no one will tell me if my solution is viable.
And I'm graduating.
In how many days?
2. I don't even like high school that much. Like, it was fine. Sort of, not really. But I don't want to move on.
We'll all be fine. It's not that big of a deal, but instead of coping in a healthy way, we're coping in this way. It's fun.
Oh, I didn't say it.
And tell me you don't feel like a bad thing.
I already know when I'm walking across the graduation stage, I'm just gonna go.
If you have a Sheets near you, first of all, go to it right now. Second of all, this farms. It slaps. It's everything. Period. Like, Sam and Matthew got...
Slushy. I got cherry.
I got cherry and Pepsi.
Actually, you got Pepsi, cherry, Pepsi.
Mm-hmm. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom.
Get out of my car!
He is graduating. He is not fine. He probably wants to snort a line.
I was gonna say, he probably wants to die.
She's annoying. She just spat. But damn, her ass is really fat. I hope.
She's corporate. She's not fun. She just really wants to be done. Thank you for coming to our impromptu karaoke. It was bad. Oh.
Anxiety time.
Drug time.
Speaking of drugs, who got injected today?
Oh, me. Look, I'm cool now. I'm fully vaccinated. You should too. You should get your vaccine too. If you haven't, go do it. Hello, people. I'm very excited. I'm just about to get my second COVID shot thing. I don't want to show you my card because it has stuff on there, but there you go.
How you open your parents or guardian.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, I'm back. I got it. I'm excited. I can't wait to go home and eat some food. Okay, see y'all later. Peace.
And you can feel that way too after trying BetterHelp. Bad transition, good sponsor. It's like excruciatingly relevant, just trust me.
I genuinely have not been doing super amazing recently because I'm just very burnt out. Like, I've been working this co-op for a while, and the 40 hours a week has turned more into 50 hours a week, and I know that's nothing in comparison to what other people do, but I'm not a real adult, and I'm just here to tell you guys and also tell myself that there are resources out there to help you, and it's totally okay to take advantage of those resources if something is getting in the way of your happiness. I encourage y'all to reach out and give something a try like BetterHelp, because it's not just some app that you download. This is a legit service that matches you with a professional licensed therapist, and you can start communicating within 48 hours. BetterHelp can even be cheaper than a traditional offline therapy experience, and they also offer financial aid. So it's kind of like college, except less stressful, and they're actually helping you instead of adding stress, but that's a personal issue. I say give it a try. It's a worldwide service, and there's already over 1 million people using BetterHelp to take charge of their mental health. So if you want 10% off of your first month, use my specific link, which is betterhelp.com/Sid, which is BETTERHELP.com/SYD. Let's get it, people.
Watch this, I'm gonna disappear. Wait, we'll do it over here. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Literally none of this vlog is gonna make any sense because none of us have an attention span past 2 seconds, but Sam's ear is infected from her earring. She literally goes, "What's this crust coming from my earring?" And I was like, "When was the last time you cleaned it?" And she was like, "Bitch, where?"
There's like crust on the earring, and it's black. Wait,
Covered
why
in
is it
crust.
black?
I mean, honestly, I don't know.
No one explained to me how ear infections work. I blame it on Mom.
Have you just been pulling crust out of your earlobe for like a week? It's been longer.
So I looked up why it turned black, and it has to do with like oxidation. So it like got oxidized, and apparently like if you don't clean your earrings or your
Where's your earring cleaner? Exclusively at Claire's. Exclusive! This expired in 2019.
Oh.
Before using, point away from affected area and spray a small amount of saline wound wash to clear the nozzle. So I'm gonna do that in the sink. God, that shoots far. Oh my god! I'm gonna shoot you from afar, okay?
Don't miss.
Oh my god! I missed myself. 3rd time's a charm. Close range. Close range attack. Who needs mace when you just have saline wound wash?
I have my saline wound wash. I'm gonna get all this money.
This is me lightly tapping it.
No, we should see how far it can shoot. Matthew, you wanna see how far this goes? Let's see how far this goes.
Not really.
I'm gonna shoot about like this. Bro, that launch is like 10 feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 steps away.
Americans will really do anything but use the metric system. Put your hands in the air where I can see them.
Put your hands in the air!
This isn't working.
Your grad cap?
Yeah, it looked really bad, so I'm giving up. Why do they look like this? Look, wait. I have to get the letters. Look, why did they look like this?
Yeah, maybe just buy the sticker letters.
I'm going to buy the sticker letters. I think I overestimated my ability to cut tiny letters.
It's like a lot later. Like, we're kind of tired.
We're gonna be doing a makeup challenge. I have no idea what this entails, but we're gonna do it.
So we thought instead of wallowing in our sadness, we're just gonna put it on our faces. Literally, I don't know why, we're just doing it, okay? Now presenting Matthew struggling for 16 seconds straight.
That looks terrible. I think I just ruined it. Not that it ever looked good, but I'm an artist. This should be way easier than
Ooh,
it
can
is.
I-
None of this is actually going in like my eyelid or whatever. I'm just sad. I just don't know how people like tell where their eyelids are. What the f is wrong with my
What?
eyelids? I don't know what else to do here.
So this represents pain. It's a massive scar. Math up here, because it says circle.
It's circle.
And it's actually a square.
Explain what that represents.
Mass equal pain. These are tears. And then this is 2 plus 2 is 5. And I kind of made like a shadow effect of like, that's like supposed to be like blood or something, I don't know. Cindy's like, oh, maybe you should like plan out your idea. Me in my head, and I'll just figure out when I get there.
So, this is my look. So the eyes, I don't really know what they mean. They just mean I wanted to use purple. And then the purple shadow I wanted to use actually sucked. So, kind of regret that. Then this is money. because I've been living that corporate life, so I've been making money, but then it does not equal happiness because I have been sad.
Also, that appeared on the math test, and we hadn't learned it before.
This means does not equal.
I know, but I was like, oh, I got it. But I'm like, some kids might have been confused. I'm like, also, why do you put something that like we haven't talked before on a test?
Welcome to college.
It's 7th grade math.
This is my look. I don't know which side which color is on.
Blue.
Okay, the blue side is for sadness, and the purple side is for anxiety. But it also is kind of pink because, again, the purple shade I wanted to use didn't work. Mine is very much up for interpretation because I could not figure out how to draw on my face, so...
Mine's not up for interpretation, it's just there. Comment down below what you think, but don't be mean or else, you know.
Yeah, please be nice because I'm sensitive and already on the verge of a mental breakdown. Also, follow her on Twitter or TikTok, and you should hit that subscribe button and the bell.
Only a small percentage of people are actually subscribed.
It's getting so late. Matthew has graduation rehearsal.
I have school in the morning.
I have work. Wasn't a great idea on our part, but was also the best idea because look how fabulous we are.
I had fun. I wanna do
And
this
now I'm
every
going to
day.
bed.
Bye!
Yeah.
Wait, that was bad.
That was bad. That was really bad on your part.